Hey everybody, it's Joshua Goldstein, licensed acupuncturist here in Ridgewood, New Jersey, and today I wanted to share with you a quick tip on using an earlobe acupressure point to reduce your stress, to help you maintain more clarity of your mind, and to help you stay more focused, whether you're in the thick of it, getting ready for the holidays or just muscling through work, or if you're at the end of your day and you're trying to wind down from all the stress and you can't figure out where the refrigerator door is so you can make some dinner, this point is for you. I'm going to share with you how to find the point easily, how to activate it using special finger positions, and I'm going to show you how to utilize it sneakily without other people knowing that you're actually doing it so they don't consider you like a loon. I'm an acupuncturist, so I could say that. But if you're not an acupuncturist and people are pressing your ears in a weird way, it may be a little bit awkward. So here is the point. The point is found on the ear. The ear is a representation of the body, and particularly the earlobe is the body taken on a turned upside down, and the whole head is put on the inside of this little bump here called the antitragus on the outside of the ear. Now the front of the ear on this little bump or the antitragus is the forehead area. Just below it is the temple area, and behind it is the occiput area. So that actually gets to the front, the sides, the back of the head, and all the nerves that flow through the area, the vagus nerve, the trigeminal nerve, all sorts of nerves that flow through this area. So stimulating this point can help activate the mind and help you get a little more function, popping down literally as you do it, and you can do it yourself and find out how to do it. So to utilize this point, you take your thumb and your index finger. The thumb is pressing on the back of the ear. The front of the index finger, we're going to bend a bit and use the inside of the finger, and we're going to gently scrape downward, holding with the back of the thumb. So as you can see, I'm going downward in a gentle pulling motion. You're not pulling super hard, but you are going to be stroking this 15 to 30 times. If you do this enough, you will start to feel more clarity occur, maybe within seconds, maybe up to a minute. About 20-30 times is about a minute and 20 seconds or 30 seconds. So it's about a minute and a half. If you start doing this, you will start to feel better, and you may not even need to continue. But this point is a great point for helping you with feeling spacey, having trouble focusing, feeling scattered, and also having brain fog. It's a great point to use whether you're preparing for work, holiday, family gatherings, get-togethers, and it's a really easy point to find. Now, how do we utilize this point without you looking really foolish? So here's some sneaky ways that you could utilize this point throughout your day. Say you're on a Zoom call. You can literally take your thumb and your index finger and literally press on the ear and cover your hand. And without moving the fingers, just do a little gripping, pressing. You could do a little like pressing motion, or just holding pressure. And you can do this during a call. It looks like you're being contemplative, but you're actually stimulating your ear, and no one would really know. If you're waiting online, that's a no-brainer. You can stimulate the ear. No one's really going to be looking at you. And finally, if you're driving and you're about to fall asleep, this is a great wake-me-up point. You can use the opposite hand. Or if you're in England, you would have to use your right hand and drive with the left hand. But for most of us, we'll be using our left hand when we drive, and we can utilize this point to really stimulate the brain function and to help you feel more focused. So this is just a simple tip on the power of acupressure points found on the bottom of the ear here. This is just an example of a powerful acupressure point that you can incorporate in your day-to-day activities that can enhance and help you with the quality of your day as you go through it. So this is Joshua Goldstein, everyone's favorite acupuncturist. Hoping you got a lot out of this video, and hope to see you soon.